Let's explore Focus Mode, your tool for deep, distraction-free work sessions. You can access Focus Mode through the top menu. Click Problem Solving, then select Focus Mode. On mobile, it's a dedicated tab in the sidebar menu, right above Analytics. Focus Mode helps you work in focused intervals using proven time management techniques. Let me show you how it works. When you open Focus Mode, you'll see a large timer in the center and several focus presets on the right. First, choose your work style. You have 5 preset options: Sprint Timer, 25 minutes of work, 5-minute break. Short, intense intervals perfect for maintaining high energy throughout the day. Deep Work, 90 minutes of work, 20-minute break, for complex tasks that require extended concentration. Quick Focus, 15 minutes of work, 3-minute break. Great for quick tasks or when you're just getting started. Monk Mode, 30 minutes of pure work, 0-minute break. Maximum focus, no interruptions. Custom, set your own work and break durations. Make it work for you. Let me select Sprint Timer, 25 minutes work, 5 minutes break. Now, optionally, you can focus on a specific project. Click Select a Project and choose from your project list. This helps you track which projects get your deep work time. Next, choose your ambient sound. Click on Ambient Sound to expand the options. You'll see a variety of nature sounds and environments: ocean waves for calm focus, river sounds, waterfall, forest birds, forest wind, bees buzzing, campfire, rain in town, heavy rain, and many more. I'll select Ocean Waves. The sound of waves helps me concentrate. You can also choose No Sound if you prefer silence. At the bottom right, you'll see Today's Focus. This tracks your total focus time, number of sessions, and cycles completed today. It's motivating to see these numbers grow. Now click Start Focus, and the timer begins. The interface becomes minimal, just the timer and your progress circle. No distractions, just you and your work. When the work interval ends, you'll get a notification for your break. Take it. Breaks are essential for sustained focus. When the break ends, start the next cycle. Focus Mode is simple but powerful. It combines time management techniques with ambient sounds and project tracking to help you do your best work. Use it when you need to focus deeply, whether it's writing, coding, studying, or any complex task that demands your full attention. And that's Focus Mode. Deep work made simple.